how to block someone on iMessage. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In this video, I'll show you how to block someone on iMessage so they can't message you or call you. So, blocking someone stops unwanted messages, FaceTime calls, and phone calls from that contact. So, basically, you'll have to block the person from the whole contact itself. You cannot only block them from iMessage. So, you need to open up the Messages app, find the person that you want to block, tap the contact name at the top, and then you need to head over to info, and then you'll see the block caller option. You'll need to tap on it, and then you need to block the contact to block them from iMessage. So that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.